Okay, so let's continue with the book mock-up, where you want to use your design to form a book, right? So the book is still loading. The network is a bit bad, so I want to upload while we're still waiting for it. I want to see if I can upload the design. Network is bad. Files. So the bottom span I've uploaded, I'll still upload the same file because that's what I have available. So I'll keep uploading. What's happening now? Okay. Upload image. Still the same file, same design. So let me upload the spine. Top spine. I just uploaded the right book. I couldn't upload the top spine. I don't think that's necessary to upload. So let's okay. So see what I have here. Can we see? So this is how it's going to look, right? It's not, I can't open it big. So this is how it's going to look. Then you can download if you want to download. You can pick either high or super high or something, or medium, anyone you want. Anyone you want, then you can just download. Let me try and download what I have. So while we're waiting for it to download, so that's just how to have your different book designs. So you pick from whatever you want.